Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
I wanted to take a quick minute to explain. These are before pictures. This old video, before we demoed, you can see how low the ceilings really were. It's something that we just really knew that we had to change. This is us doing the work, raising up these two beams, putting all new joists across. It was a huge project. This video is all about using salvaged wood, and we wanted to use it in a place that meant something to us. Something that we could look at every single day and just be so proud of the work that we've done. Raising these ceilings up 2 foot breathes so much new life into this house. I just wanted to explain that. I think it's so important that you know a little bit of the backstory before you watch this video. I hope you enjoy. So I gotta rip up the whole upstairs of this tongue and groove. We're gonna keep it, obviously, and maybe do the ceiling upstairs, or, you know.
My old man acts like a young man, puts this young man's heart in the race. His eyes are bad, his spirit is glad, he's got laughter in the lines of his face. He's an old man with a working hands, likes to stick him in the land, build up his place. Now this young man loves this old man, with laughter in the lines of his face. Young man, don't you make plans. You're too busy doing. Old man, keep making plans. Teeth too old for chewing, heart too full for blueing, world too full of ruin to get caught up in the chase. He's got laughter in the lines of his face. I'm a sleepy man with calloused hands and a brain shaped like a guitar. I'll find my own path in the aftermath of a good woman's love and a falling star. I'm a simple man sucking on rhubarb jam that I grow from plants in my backyard. Got him from an old man with the family in his hands. He done left this world, he works so hard. Young man, don't you make plans. You're too busy doing. Old man, keep making plans. Teeth too old for chewing, heart too full for blueing, world too full of ruin to get caught up in the chase. He's got laughter in the lines of his face.
My eyes are wide open. I see you clear. My toes touch the same floor our world has been shaking on. Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Your face tells me always things your mouth often spares. And I hope you know I do what it takes to bring joy into your day. Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh.
I just had to go buy more sandpaper. Did you know sandpaper, the sand that's on the paper, is actually moon dust? I didn't know that. It's moon dust. At least that's the only thing that can explain why sandpaper is $25 for a pack. This is $25. $25. $50 in sandpaper. And the only way that that can be explained is if the sand that's on this is from the moon. So that's what I'm going to assume. Moon dust. Amazing. In that case, I can't believe they can honestly go up there and get enough sand dust to make the sandpaper and then charge only $25? What a deal. What a deal.